Hello kids, welcome to Kiddy Kids channel. Today we will learn the phonic sound of letter P. P says P. P says
Pa,
P P P P P.
pa, 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 pa.
It is an uppercase letter P. It is a lowercase letter P. Now let's start with the vocabulary of letter P. P for pen. P P P P pen.
P for pen, p, 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 pen.
We write with a pen. P for papaya. P P P P papaya.
P for papaya, p, 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 papaya.
Papaya is a yellow edible fruit with so many black seeds in the center. P for pear. P P P P pear.
P for pear, p, 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 pear.
Pear is a sweet, white-bottomed fruit. P for penguin. P P P P penguin.
P for penguin, p, 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 penguin.
Children, you know penguins are found in a very cold places like in Antarctica. P for pineapple. P P P P pineapple.
P for pineapple, p, 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 pineapple.
Pineapple is a sweet fruit with tough skin and spiky leaves. P for peacock. P P P P peacock.
P for peacock, p, 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 peacock.
Peacock is one of the most beautiful creatures of the earth. It is also a national bird of India. P for panda. P P P P panda.
P for panda, p, 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 panda.
Children, you know the eyes of panda are different to normal bear. P for parrot. P P P P parrot.
P for parrot, p, 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 parrot.
Parrots can mimic any sound. If you say something, they can copy your sound also. P for pig. P P P P pig.
P for pig, p, 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 pig.
Pigs are intelligent animals. Pigs eat both plants and animals. P for park. P P P P park.
P for park, p, 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 park.
Do you visit park to play and have lots of fun?
Yes,
You play with the slides there?
yes.
P for peach. P P P P peach.
P for peach, p, 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 peach.
The skin of peach is orange and yellow. P for pan. P P P P pan.
P for pan, p, 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 pan.
Your mama cooks food in the pan? Right?
Yeah.
P for pail. P P P P pail.
P for pail, p, 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 pail.
Pail is a container with wide open top and it is mainly used to carry liquids. But see, in the picture, the pail is carrying so many candies. Wow! You like to eat candies?
Yes.
Okay, then after this video, go and have some candies. Thank you.
Thank you.